Here's the news of the day. Altaport and WSP released a detailed Vertiport automation system concept, focusing on key business requirements to maximize Vertiport network value in the advanced air mobility sector. Robinson Helicopter named Randall Schaffer as VP of Customer Success, focusing on improving support and service for helicopter owners worldwide. Boeing is offering Poland the CH-47 Chinook helicopter, enhancing defense and creating jobs. The Chinook has a proven history in European defense and humanitarian missions. Hensoldt developed a radar system for monitoring drones in uncontrolled airspace, successfully tested by DLR, advancing air taxi integration. HeliTSA has launched CASA-approved Airbus H135 series training in Australia, covering both helionics and classic systems. Enrollments are now open for September 2024 and June 2025 courses. EHang Holdings strongly denies false rumors linking it to a U.S. investigation, affirming its commitment to transparency and compliance in all operations. EasyJet partnered with JetZero to develop hydrogen-powered blended-wing aircraft, aiming to cut fuel burn and emissions by up to 50%. JA Mitsui Leasing Capital has entered the U.S. business jet finance market, hiring Jeffrey Dunn to lead the new corporate aircraft finance group, expanding their North American portfolio. Fly Exclusive has entered an agreement with Volato to manage its fleet and customers, with potential $75 million annual revenue transfer as they discuss a future merger. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.